Hi, I'm Mike Gubby from iSleep Blind. So we're talking about how to measure internal corners, and I'm just going to show you a little variation on an internal corners. Now, I'd still like you to watch the how to measure just the general video because that'll tell you all the information, but I'm just going to add a little bit of extra content in and show you exactly how this works, particularly with the corners. Now, it's always my advice that you buy the curtain sample kit. Okay, in that sample kit, you get 2 tracks, you get the tape, you get the brackets, you get everything, and you get to see exactly how it's going to look. And I'm going to show you one of the great uses for it, and that is determining how we're going to measure for an internal corner, which is just here. So Kylie, you're going to have to get nice and close here. And what we're always going to do with an S-fold particular is that we're going to put this one there as our through blind. So can you see this one's going to go all the way through to our corner? So we call that our through blind, and this next track we're going to call our butt blind. So if we butt that in against there, you do end up getting this really nice overlap kind of in the corner. Now, I don't know what track to drop now to show you what the measurement is, but the measurement from there to the here, that's 130 millimeters. So essentially that's the deduction that you have to take to end up with that result there. In fact, that should go a little bit further, okay? So that's what it looks like. The deduction's 130 mils if you don't get the sample tracks, but if you do, you get to physically hold them in position here and then just mark exactly where it's gonna be and make sure you end up with a really good outcome. Why it's 130 mils is because that distance, I'm just gonna put that down, that distance from here of the S-fold tape from there to the front, that's 100 millimeters. And generally we're gonna come over a 19 millimeter architrave, and then we've got about 10 mils of clearance. So that's kind of where the 130 number comes up. But again, if you do order it a little bit too long, then you've seen that you can just trim the track down if you need to, or you don't get it 100% perfect. But that's essentially just how an internal corner works. So good luck, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.